Hey Confident Naturals, welcome to Janeah's Journey. I'm Janeah Simone. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. As you see from the title, I'm an ambassador for SandCloud, which is like an eco-friendly, reusable line of towels, t-shirts, bottles, just a whole bunch of eco-friendly merchandise. So I love supporting companies that have a goal to save the planet. Theirs is specifically to save the marine life, which I think is super awesome because I love marine life. It's really important to me. So yeah, I definitely had to become an ambassador of theirs, which I am, and I am going to be opening my package for you guys. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right now and stay tuned. Alright you guys, so we have our package from SandCloud. Let's just open it. I think that I ordered a t-shirt, but I'm not sure what t-shirt. I'm not sure. So let's open it. Let's see what we got. Okay, so they have their cardboard label on it that says SoundCloud, save the fishes. So that's awesome. So yeah, I got a medium organic t-shirt. So let's see. I don't remember the design. So let's see. Oh, I hate to tear it up like this, but I can't get it off. Okay, let's see. So looks like I should have got a small because this medium is looking big, but okay. So it's like this cream colored shirt that says save the fishes. So every purchase that you make with SandCloud goes to preserving the marine life. So it saves the fishes, saves the turtles, the whales, you know, all of our sea life that is suffering from us making poor decisions with like single-use plastic and throwing things on the ground and just not caring for the planet. And honestly, you guys, that's really important. I know a lot of people don't think about it, don't really care about it, but honestly, this earth was made for us to live on, live in, so we have to take care of it or it will demolish and we can become extinct, and that would be crazy. Oh, that would be really crazy. Be more mindful of your waste, like where you're putting it, what you're doing with it. Definitely don't throw things on the ground, you guys. Don't throw things into the water. And yeah, care about our sea life. Like, this is a whole ecosystem. We can't do this without them. So anyways, you guys, yeah, support this company because they are supporting our planet and our marine life, which is so important. You can get $15 off your first purchase with my code Janeah's Journey 581. So make sure you guys use that. But yeah, you guys, I'm super excited to be an ambassador. You guys will definitely see me rocking more of their paraphernalia. And yeah, so purchase for a cause. I love that. Purchase for a cause. So a lot of their products are like reusable and eco-friendly, biodegradable. Like, they have a whole bunch of things on their site. They really have some really nice beach towels that are like recycled from different things. They look super nice. I'm definitely going to get me one of those once, you know, I'm ready to go to the beach, because right now I'm still in quarantine. But yeah, like, they have some really cool stuff, some nice bottles, real cute clothes. But yeah, so this is a medium size. I should have got a small, but it looked, I don't know. I should have got a small, but it's okay. I'm still gonna rock this. I might, you know, cut it up, dazzle it up, I don't know. But it does say save the fishes. Alright, so let's try it on. Alright, you guys, so it is kind of large, kind of baggy on me, kind of loose and baggy on me, but it's a cute, comfortable t-shirt. It's soft, and yeah, I really like it. But yeah, I probably should have got a small. But alright, you guys, remember to save the environment, be mindful of your actions, use my code Janeah's Journey 581 to get $15 off your first purchase. Make sure you purchase with SoundCloud, and also make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!